Hi there, Erica from On Strategy here. Today's whiteboard is 5 leadership tips from a woman and co-founder led tech company. We love Maya and her leadership style. She runs Authority Partners with her husband, Errol. And here are some of our favorite lessons from her interview from Strategy Stories from the Real World. Lesson number 1, have a bold vision. We talk a lot about that. It's one of our favorites. Lesson 2, a marathon focus. Maya reminds us that running a business is a marathon, not a sprint. Always, always, always connect to the why. Particularly right now, everybody wants to be connected with their bigger purpose and why we're working in organizations every day. Number 4, surround yourself with people who know how. After all, strategy gets executed and visions get achieved when we execute the how, and we know how to do the how. And number 5, which I love, is enjoy the ride. It's a long journey, so make sure that you have a smile on your face. Again, thanks so much, Maya, for your tips. Let's tune into her insights from leading a tech company for over 25 years.
Of course, our followers love tips and takeaways, and you shared a lot of really cool ideas. But if you were to take one nugget or piece of wisdom or tip that you would share with emerging leaders, what would it be?
So first, that depends on how far and how fast you want to go. So in our case, it was more as a marathon than the sprint, because we started working more than 30 years ago. So it was in some or other way, it was always the same company. We just changed countries. And so, as I said, it was a marathon. I think it's very important to pick the vision that's kind of inspiring and that's strong, that's bold. And that's something, and as you grow as a company and as you grow as a person, it's important that you stay in touch with your why, that you remind yourself very often why you're doing that. And then that you surround yourself with the people who know how you're gonna, execute and put in motion your why. So this is there are many things that played important role, but vision and, that's your why staying alive and present, and of course the great team of people around you who believe in your why and who are going to be able to support you. And of course, at the end of the day, we all need to enjoy this ride, because what's the point if we don't love it and we don't enjoy it?
And there you have it. Don't forget to check out Maya's full interview and the link in the description.